Cheeky Monkeys. Welcome back to another cooking experience with the Cheeky Monkeys.
Today we're going to make the spring roll and to celebrate our National Family Week for next week.
Okay, the ingredients you'll need to make spring rolls are spring roll pastry, chicken mince, grated carrot, some chopped up garlic and some shallots, and some salt for seasoning and oil for frying. Okay, Vy will now add all the ingredients to the bowl and mix it all together. Now Vy will demonstrate how to fill and roll a spring roll. Vy will now take a teaspoon of the mixture and apply it to the pastry. Vy will now roll the pastry, 2 rolls, then folding either end up and another 2 folds, and there you have it. Vy will now fry the spring rolls. Be very careful as the oil's hot. Cooking provides children the opportunity to explore other cultures and traditions.
So this is our finished product. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!